If you're thinking about jumping into the world of gaming but don't want to deal with complicated setups or high-end prices, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best game consoles for beginners, chosen for their ease of use, library of games, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started.
DVJQSN 36 Max handheld console. This thing is a retro beast that doesn't mess around. It sports a 4.0-inch IPS display with a sharp 720 by 720 resolution, which makes those old-school pixels look better than they ever did on your old CRT. Under the hood, it's running a Linux system that handles everything from 2D classics to PS1 titles without breaking a sweat. We found that the gameplay is incredibly fluid, though it does run a bit warm if you're pulling a marathon session. It comes preloaded with over 18,000 games on a 64GB card, so you're set for life. The 4,000 milliamp battery gives you about 6 to 8 hours of juice, making it a solid travel companion. We noticed the library is a bit bloated with duplicates, so you'll have to dig through some fluff to find the real gems. But for a beginner, the sheer volume of content is unbeatable. It's compact, feels durable, and the included carrying case is actually useful rather than an afterthought. If you want a massive library in your pocket, this is a smart pick. It's affordable and surprisingly powerful for its size.
Xiskt R36 Max handheld console. Next up is another variation of the R36 Max, this time from Xiskt. It shares that same gorgeous 4-inch IPS screen, and it's perfect for anyone who wants a pick-up and play experience. We're looking at an open-source Linux framework here, which prioritizes stability, so you won't deal with weird crashes mid-level. It packs a 4,000 mAh battery and a 64GB card that's ready to go the second you unbox it. One thing we really liked is how easy the setup is. There's no complicated configuration needed for beginners. However, keep in mind that some games in the library might be in Chinese, which can be a bit of a hurdle if you aren't familiar with the menus. It also lacks built-in cheat codes, so you'll have to play those tough retro games the old-fashioned way. The build quality is solid, and the buttons have a satisfying click that doesn't feel cheap. It's a great entry point for someone who wants to experience gaming's golden age without the headache of modern consoles. It's reliable, fast, and does exactly what it promises.
XIWAMA S008 Motion Gaming Console. If you're looking for something that gets you off the couch, the XIWAMA S008 is the way to go. This isn't your typical handheld. It's an interactive motion gaming console that uses an AR camera to track your movements. It comes preloaded with 28 games that range from sports to STEM-based puzzles. We found it's a perfect tool for getting kids moving during indoor play sessions. The best part? It works without Wi-Fi. That means no annoying ads, no subscriptions, and no worrying about what kids are clicking on. It plugs directly into your TV via HDMI and you're ready to go. The camera accurately captures body actions in real time, turning your living room into a mini arcade. We think this is a fantastic choice for families who want healthy screen time that boosts coordination and fitness. It's lightweight, portable, and simple enough for a 4-year-old to understand, but engaging enough for older kids too. If you want a console that blends education with physical activity, this one is a winner for any beginner's home setup.
ULOVINGST Star Motion Game Console. The ULOVINGST Star console is another heavy hitter in the motion sensing category. It's designed specifically for the 4 to 12 age range and features a dual control setup. You get the AR camera for full body play, but it also includes 2 wireless controllers for more traditional gaming. It's packed with 28 classic titles like Fruit Ninja and Ocean Adventure. We noticed that the tracking is quite responsive, though taller 12-year-olds might find they're a bit big for the camera's optimal range in smaller rooms. It's a great way to liven up a party or a family game night without needing an internet connection. The setup is dead simple. Just plug it into the HDMI port and you're in business. We love that it's completely ad-free and doesn't have any inappropriate content, making it a safe haven for young beginners. It's a budget-friendly way to get the Wii experience without the vintage hardware hassle. If you have a medium-sized living room and want to keep the kids active, this system is a very safe and entertaining bet.
WELLST MSG001. Rounding out our list is the WELLST MSG001. This is the ultimate budget-friendly handheld for the youngest beginners. It's got a 3.0-inch high-definition screen and 220 retro games baked in. The design is clearly inspired by classic arcade machines, but it's shrunk down to fit perfectly in a child's hands. It runs on an 860 mAh rechargeable battery, which is plenty for a long car ride or a quiet afternoon. We found the screen to be surprisingly clear for a device at this level. However, we have to be honest, the reliability can be a bit hit or miss. Some users have reported the device giving up after a few months, so it's not exactly a buy-it-for-life piece of tech. But for the price, it's a fantastic way to introduce a kid to gaming without handing over an expensive smartphone. It's small, lightweight, and incredibly easy to use. If you need a simple, portable distraction for a road trip that doesn't require Wi-Fi or complex menus, this little unit is a total lifesaver for parents.
And that wraps up the top 5 best game consoles for beginners. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Check the links in the description for more details on everything we covered today. We hope you find the perfect system. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.